day today from Disney's Animal Kingdom. We are here today to show you some of the 50th celebration stuff. Obviously I wasn't at Animal Kingdom last week, so I'll show you what 50th anniversary offerings they have today, as well as take you on a POV of Expedition Everest. Don't have that for you, so I'm going to do that today. Come with us, guys. Let's have some fun. Starting the morning off with a wonderful shot of the Tree of Life. Probably won't be here until night, so I won't be able to show you this. Tree lit up in its magnificent glory. I'll be back eventually. Have a whole year of this pass. Let's have some fun at Animal Kingdom. See some 50th anniversary flyers and banners all around. Very Animal Kingdom themed-esque. Looks like a light crowd so far walking in. First look at the 50th statues they have in Animal Kingdom. Back here, looks like we got Timon, Pumbaa, and Simba right in front of the Tree of Life. That's one of my favorites so far that I've seen, actually. I really do love that one. Beautiful. And here we are, ladies and gentlemen, showing you the deconstruction of Primeval World. The former Spinning Wild Mouse dual track coaster here at Animal Kingdom has been knocked down forever, never returning to any theme park. They weren't able to sell the coaster to anybody, and now it's just a deconstruction phase. Always sad to see a coaster go. There's some remnants and track left. Not all of it, but it is being taken down as we speak. See the bulldozers back there. What was once a wonderful entrance to a decent coaster, decent family coaster. Not the best in the world, but it was up there. It's just sad. They have a really cute, cool 50th pick 'em up popcorn bucket for $20. $2 for the refill. That's really cool, though. Time for a ride on Expedition Everest here. Only you posted a 15-minute wait. You know the game I like to play, posted wait times versus actual wait times. Looks like a walk-on, so maybe a little less than 15. Let's go. This is a very highly efficient coaster for getting people on and off. One of my favorite Disney Tacomas, maybe my favorite Disney Tacoma.
One of the best Disney coasters.
That's true, yeah. Such an underrated queue, too.
Oh, yeah. One of the largest Disney coasters.
The most expensive ever built.
Why? 99.6.
Ooh. All the hair ties out. Oh, there's some.
Maybe I'm putting some back on.
Where'd the track go? Where's the track? Backwards helix, kind of. It's out. I wanted the evac. Oh, good. Get a drop. Wow! Nice. Helix, 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 helix. Ride on Everest. We survived the Yeti. Stopped off at Tucker House for a nice High-Lie IPA. Gonna hit Kilimanjaro Safari next. Light crowds here today in the parks. Decent wait times, nothing too outrageous. I mean, there's people here, but it's not your typical like what I dealt with last week at the other 3 parks. All the parks look decently, moderately busy, but not super packed. Not much up for the 50th here as far as celebration decor is concerned. Could be a little better in my opinion, but still a good time here at Animal Kingdom nonetheless. Time for some ride. On Kilimanjaro Safari, we're here at the Harambee Wildlife Reserve. No 2 safaris are ever alike. Gonna see what kind of animals we can see today. Hopping aboard the safari now. All en route. Luckily, we don't gotta wear a mask on this one, which is nice because it is an outdoor attraction. All the animals you can see along the tour.
20? I think it means let's go. Prepare to get that perfect picture. And lastly, please refrain from making any noises at the animals or yelling or anything like that because they do get scared pretty easily. And we don't want to do that. With that being said, our first stop today is the Litturi Forest, and the first animal I see is coming up on the right side. That is the okapi. Looks like he's trying to hide behind that tree in the middle there. The ghost of the forest because it's very good at hiding. Their large horns lean back, which allows them to get through thick and tangled underbrush much easier. And then down below here, you'll see 1, 2, 3 greater kudu. Those are all females now because only about 16 feet long. Weighs about 500
Mouth
pounds.
wide open.
Yeah, really off.
Looks like he took it straight out of the ground and stuck its roots out. It's leafless for about 9 months out of the year, and it can store water in its trunk for the drought. The water stored in its trunk can be consumed by animals who are migrating or who are just thirsty and can't find water anywhere quickly if they need to. Giraffes only sleep about 30 minutes a day, and they'll eat for 20 hours a day. Sounds like a good ratio to me. Let's try our luck on the head here.
Oh, there he is.
You guys see something on the right side there?
Hippo.
Oh, there's a hippo on the right. Okay, well that's the Nile hippopotamus. When they're warning, those marks could be old and they could have migrated elsewhere in search of food and shelter. But we'll look for them anyway. See if we have any luck out here. Oh, I see a couple elephants way off in the distance back there on the left.
Yep.
Yeah, way back there.
Looks like they might be migrating somewhere, so let me try to catch up to them before they go. But a little closer on the left side here is the greater flamingo.
Look at the bird. Yeah, look
The
at
lightest
the
shade
birds.
of pink out of all the flamingos.
Birds. Aren't they cute?
They get their color from the brine shrimp they eat.
Look, see the rhinos?
And it looks like they might be moving here. We'll see. There we go.
Number one rule I know.
Cheetahs are hard to see most of the time because they're good at blending in with their surroundings, so you have to look closely if you want to try to find them. So let's look on the left side here, and if you see a cheetah, be sure to point it out.
I see nothing.
Cheetahs are
A
coming.
little hard to see, but there's a male lion sleeping right here on the left. Just try not to hurt your eyes with the sun there. Right on the left side, there's a warthog.
When I was a young
They're burrowers,
warthog.
which means they dig these holes. It's usually pretty quiet around here, not too many animals around. But the warden does like to keep one specific type of animal at his house, and I'll tell you why in just a second. I already see a couple of them in the front yard here. There we go. If you look on the left side, you'll see the Nigerian dwarf goat. Any of the retail or merch shops at the park, just go up to any register and let them know. Also, here comes the best part. The splash song. Like when you're having fun. Unfortunately though, this is going to be the end of our safari. Here at Kilimanjaro Safaris, we don't like to say goodbye because that's just too sad and too final.
Jumbo!
Instead, here we like to say Quaharini.
No, that's right. Yeah, Jumbo's below, right?
As we approach the dock, please make sure you have all of your personal.
Literally did a full loop around Animal Kingdom. And they only have 2 50th statues. The ones over there I showed you earlier. And Bambi and Thumper right here. Wonderful shot of the Tree of Life. Not going to be staying to close. I'm going to be heading to Springs with my friends tonight. But either way, nice to see the statue. We've got to come back here and see the Tree of Life in all of its glory at night. And that's going to be a wrap today from Disney's Animal Kingdom. Thanks for coming with us on this short trip. It was fun. Now that I have a pass, I'm going to be coming back a lot more Disney videos to come your way. Thanks for coming with us, guys. We'll catch you guys next time.